Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, the Millennial Investor 1914. Holla at yo boy. We got one. We got the month of May in the bag. Holla at your boy. We here to talk about one, how much money and passive income and dividends I received for the month of May. Two, we're gonna talk about uh, what I bought, what I sold, and three, we're just gonna go over just portfolio changes because what you gonna see is that there's a lot of changes in the portfolio. I do not want to hold you guys, so let's dive in. Here's is my dividend growth portfolio, which what you see is that I've made some big changes to my portfolio. Let's not hold you because right now it's June 1st, and a year ago, because it's 2025, a year ago, June 1st, a year ago around this time, June 1st, my portfolio was at roughly 55,000. Imagine that. A year ago, my portfolio was at 55,000. In 2025, and from February to April, all of our portfolios, all the markets were down. Imagine right now that the market is only up. You see right here, the S&P 500 is only up 1.06. I'm at 1.78. But the exciting part about it is that a year ago, my portfolio was at 55,000, and now I am close to 81,000, and we only at June. And I'm also contributing about roughly $1,500 per month because I really want this portfolio to hit 100K. That's I want to dive into this portfolio just a little bit more. But before I dive in, let's talk about the real main reason why you guys are here. The real main reason why you guys are here is because dividend income. Yes, dividend income. I have definitely changed up my portfolio so that my portfolio is for total return, but also for me to receive those juicy dividends so I can compound it. SCHD, got some Goldman Sachs, we got Kroger, we also have a little juicy like Aflac. And so I've stacked my portfolio with some heavy hitters like Tesla and Meta, but also stack my portfolio with some stability stocks like Aflac and uh, Avi, right? But the reason why you're here, so for the month of May, I received uh, roughly $40. I received a dividend from Avi of $26.39, American Express of $10.79, and Comfort Systems, $2.68. $2.68. This one right here, Fixed Comfort Systems, American Express are my high flyers. I would say low in regards to dividend income, but high flyers. I want to go over my portfolio real quick just to show you. Here is my portfolio as a whole. I've invested $60,000 thus far, and my total is 80,000, and I'm continuously putting that $1,500 per month into my portfolio. And so once this hits 100K, then I can scale back a little bit, then build up my Bitcoin portfolio, pay off my student loan. So then I'm going to just redirect some of my money. I'm still going to be investing in my dividend portfolio, but I'm going to pay down my student loan. Then I'm going to beefy up my Bitcoin portfolio, get that going, and also I want to beefy up my Roth IRA because currently right now my Roth IRA is at 12,000. So also while I have the money I'm investing, I want to contribute a little bit more to that as well to hit that limit. But then, so Comfort Systems, I only have 5.95 shares. Each share is roughly $478. It's kind of hard to try to build up a share of Fix. And the other one, I told you it was Fix. It was Broadcom, and it was also not Broadcom. It's Fix. It was AbbVie, and it was American Express. American Express is not that much. I have roughly 13.16 shares of American Express, which it costs $294. And what you'll see is that for the month of the upcoming month for this month right here, it's a banger. It's and we go over this when I receive the money in my Fidelity account. But I'm definitely receiving a lot of money. I've been contributing a lot of money to my SCHD, and it's paying me roughly, let's just say $65 per share. But we back to my portfolio. Woo, 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 woo. Now, as you guys already know, now you follow me, I have multiple portfolios. This is my main portfolio that I've been putting a lot of my effort into because I would like to retire early. And to retire early, you have to have after tax money, yada yada yada. But I wanted to show you that. So when you do research and the markets, they normally say that when you invest into SP 500 or full, that it tend to produce a rate of return around 10%, right? 10 to 12%. Lately, it's been producing like around 15, 16%, right? Right. My portfolio, my 1 year, 22.16%. Let's So my 1 month was 10.78% because when it was down, I was buying. I was buying. I was buying. I was buying. My 3 month average, because March was down, April was starting to go up, and then May was, I received a rate of return of 10.78% in May. I have a rate of return of 5.74% for this 3 month average. And that's what the market going down 7.5% in March. So I'm doing pretty decent. Year to date, my portfolio is up 1.78%. My 1 year, 22. My 3 year, this is what I want to go over. My 3 year average is 55.77. 55.77 divided by 3. 18.59. I've been, it's getting a lot better now. And beforehand, what has been really been rocking with me and was really been helping me is my Broadcom and my Microsoft. And now with me contributing to Meta, and I've added a couple medium caps slash small caps to my portfolio that I've been investing to, meaning Elf Beauty, Palantir, and Cloudflare. These are highly volatile stocks, and these I want to say I believe, really truly believe that these stocks are going to truly help me in the next 5 to 10 years. Also, me investing into Nvidia as well. I revamped my portfolio to now I have, not only do I have Google, Tesla, and the Magnificent Seven, but I also have small position at Amazon that I've been building out, and a small position in another tech company, right? Whatever. I'm not. I still don't have enough data for Fidelity for the 5 year. So hopefully, cross my fingers, my portfolio continues to do well, and so that uh, my portfolio do well for the 5 year. But for the 3 year, right here, my portfolio produced 55.77. The SP has produced 49.77. So with that, I am I'm comfortable. I'm contributing roughly $1,000 to $1,500 per month for this. and my portfolio is definitely have been rocking it out of the park. And right here it says that so my cumulative returns is that if you want to do annualized return, yo, for my annualized return, my portfolio is producing at least close to 16% annualized return on a on an annualized basis. And this was before I added a lot of my Magnificent Seven stocks. So imagine this next 3 years, this probably be up to probably 22%. If I can get this my annualized percent up to 22%, rule of 72, I want to get my portfolio annualized percent up to 70 to 24%, because then 72 divided by 24, I want my portfolio to double every 3 years. If it doubles every 3 years in a 10 year span, 10 divided by 3, my portfolio would double 3.33 times. I'm at 36 years old right now, meaning that I still got some years to go. But if I want to retire minimum by 50, 55 the latest, I need for my portfolio to grow fast. I need for it to double. I'm on the right track, right? I'm on the right track. So that's my plan. And then if I'm contributing, once I hit 1,000, once I hit 100K, I'm gonna scale back from contributing $1,500 a month to roughly maybe $900 per month, and then the rest I'm gonna put into Bitcoin and get that portfolio going. But yeah, that's my March update of slash no, that is my May update of my dividend growth portfolio. How much I made, what I bought, what I sold, and what I did. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.